Hello and welcome to the GovaRide Share and Win contest. Here is an opportunity for you to make money from GovaRide. Just listen carefully to the following steps. Step 1. Click the first link below and download GovaRide, the script. Step 2. Read the script, memorize it, and make sure you can say it offhand. Step 3. Shoot a short video of yourself saying everything you have memorized from the script. Step 4. Upload the video to any of your social media handles. Step 5. Click the contest submission link below and fill the form. Now, this is very important. Ensure you submit every required detail in the form. The criteria for winning is very simple. Just share the video on your social media handle. The top 20 people with the highest number of shares and likes will win equal prizes. Guys, I encourage you all to hurry up now, shoot your video, fill the form and submit it. There are so many prizes to be won, so good luck! GovaRide, simple, safe and sweet.